up, guys? It's Super Cruz back here again, doing a box opening with my little brother. So, we got these new Detective Pikachu new box that came out because the movie's coming out in May. Just FYI, we're not sponsored yet, but we got the Green Ninja ones, both of us, and we'll see which one we get most. And if you see back here in the box, it will tell you everything you gotta know about the box. Yeah, everything. You don't worry, but we're gonna give it the codes to you guys. So let's start opening them. I don't know, you can open it with it goes easy. It comes out. So yeah. So it comes with the Green Ninja pen. It's pretty sick. Oh, so you always snap?
Can't open mine.
Alright. So here's Green Ninja card for you guys to see. And also we give out the codes, so here's the code. Whoever subscriber wants to get it, here's a free code. You know. And we also are giving away these cards, so just FYI. So yeah, so it comes with probably 4 packs of Detective Pikachu. 4 packs. And also mine has a Sunny Moon card and a Crimson Invasion card. So Crimson Invasion is inside the moon. And as well as a Green Ninja pen.
We get a different one.
We are getting the same ones.
You got different.
Oh, we got different, yeah. Well, they're both Crimson Invasion, same one. Ready? Ready? You can go. So, these are the things that we got, guys. So we got the Green Ninja, the Giant Green Ninja, and also 4 Detective Pikachu cards, and also 1 Crimson Invasion and 1 Sunny Moon. So Johnny, you got that same thing?
Nope, I got something different.
We got different symbols. I got the lion guy, and then this guy, and Johnny got the same thing.
I got a little birdie and a little wolf.
So yeah, so if this video hits 10,000 views, we're gonna give away this Green Ninja, and if it hits 20,000 views, we're gonna hit this Ninja. So hit your comment, comment your favorite Pokemon, and then comment down below, and if when it hits 10,000 views, we're gonna give this thing away, the Green Ninja, the promo card, and then if it hits 20,000 views or 50,000 views, we're gonna give out the Giant Green Ninja away to the lucky subscriber to the channel.
He is, by the way, he is not me.
So it's my channel. So yeah, so there is free shipping no matter what. If it's 10,000 views, this one, 20,000 views or 50,000 views, we give out this one. Okay, just comment down below your favorite Pokemon, and a lucky winner when it hits 10,000 views will win this one and this one, 50 or 20,000 views. We're gonna give this one away. Okay, guys. So get to opening. So we're gonna open first. So we're gonna open up the Pikachu, Detective Pikachu, saying there's 4 cards in there, and the last card will always be the main card. So we're trying to see if we can get the whole collection in. So here we go. Hard to open.
Oh, there we go. Ooh, I got Psyduck for my first one. Psyduck.
So I got Psyduck, and I got Mordell.
Second one I got Marlu.
And I got Bulbasaur next time.
No way.
Yeah, Bulbasaur, guys. Look at Johnny's jaws. And I got
Snowball.
And I got Jigglypuff. You know the guy from me. And I got Johnny. I got Slacking, guys. Slacking. Fucking 180 card.
I got
180 card, guys.
Louis Cole.
Look up. And here's the promo card, guys.
There's another one. Yeah, you can use it.
You can use it.
Pretty whack first one. They like it. They're not.
I like mine, guys. Okay. See if we pull our Green Ninja card out of here.
You got yours open already?
Yeah.
What's your first one?
I got Mordell. That's the first card, guys. Pretty sick.
Ooh, I got Snowball again.
Hey guys, I got Snowball. Pretty sick card.
I got Psyduck.
Hey, I got Magikarp.
Got Charmander. Charmander.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the leaf one, and I get the fire
And
one.
I got Detective Pikachu!
Detective Pikachu!
What a fudge! Man, we got that Detective Pikachu, guys. Back to Pikachu. Number 10 in the collection, guys. Number 10. Pretty sick. And here's the promo card.
Number
Guys, so
10.
you can get it at your Pokemon as well. And also comment down below what cards you get from these things. We always want to know what cards you get. Okay? Just comment down below.
Third one so far.
So, yeah, third one. Here we go, huh? So far, so good.
Shit, like, fuck. It's just hard.
Hey.
Oh, that's like what do you got?
So I got Mortal as the first card, guys.
Who?
Mortal, the little.
Oh,
Which one?
you got 3 of them already.
Yeah, I got 3.
Ooh.
Fucking 3 duplicates.
Magikarp. Yeah,
Snowball
Magikarp.
for my second one, guys.
Got Charmander again.
I got Sorry Duck. Sorry Duck. Okay.
Morlo.
Oh god, guys, guess what card I got?
What?
I got Charmander, guys. I got Charmander. Charmander for my very card.
Easy got the best one. Got Arcanine. Gold one.
No, still normal.
It's gold. What do you mean? It's
It
gold.
was a shiny.
Where does it say shiny
It
then?
doesn't say shiny. That's why. So it's not gold.
I don't care. That's still better than yours.
So you know, guys, this is a promo card. In the video.
Or I got more better cards than you.
So far.
Oh, I am on the wrong one.
So far, so good. Guys, I got number 4. Charmander, guys. Charmander, number 1 in the Pokédex.
Charmander.
Hey, guys. I got the 4th duplicate of Mordell.
Lickitung.
I got my second version of Bulbasaur.
I got Psyduck.
Oh, God. Yeah, I got.
Whoa! What do you got?
I got to take the Pikachu, guys. Dear Pikachu.
I got Charizard.
Pikachu, guys.
Charizard.
Ah, man.
Whoa,
Okay,
Charizard.
chill. So, here's the promo card, guys. Here's the card.
Charizard. Last one. That's sexy.
Yay, I got Licky. For my first card, guys, I got Licky Tongue. Licky Tongue, guys. And then for my second one, I got Snowballs.
I got Snowballs for my first one.
Hey, for my third card, I
I
got
got Psyduck for my second.
Jigglypuff.
I got Charmander for my third.
Okay.
I got Green Ninja.
I got my champ, guys. I got my
Green
champ.
Ninja. I got
champ.
all 3 cards of Green Ninja. Wow.
Here's the promo card, guys.
I got more cards than
This one.
you ever get.
Good,
Okay.
good. Don't worry.
Sun and Moon.
So we got for the collection, we still missing a couple cards, guys. For the collection,
You're missing a card. I'm not.
we're missing So we starting off with number 1.
Charmander.
No, that's number 4.
Charizard number 5. Number 7 is Psyduck. 16 is 4. So
Yeah, we don't have number 1, guys. What? Yeah, number 1 is Bulbasaur, guys. Number 1.
Green Ninja's number 9.
Number 2 is. I think we got number 2, guys. So number 3 is Snowballs.
Number 2 is this guy.
Ludicolo. Ludicolo is number 2, guys. And then number 3 is Mola. And then we got Charmander as number 4. And then number 5. In my head right now. Yeah, we got number 5. Oh, number 5 is Charizard, guys. 5 is Charizard. Number 6 is.
Whoa, Arcanine.
Number 6 is Arcanine, guys. Number 7 is Psyduck. Number 8 is Magikarp.
Magikarp, yeah, I was about to say that.
Number 9 is
Oh, Green Ninja.
Green Ninja. Number 10 is Detective Pikachu. Number 11 is number 11 is we don't got number 11, guys.
I don't got
Yeah. Number 13, we got number 12. We don't have number 12 either. Number 13 is Machamp. Number 14 is Jigglypuff.
yeah.
Number 15 is Snowballs.
Yes.
And then we don't have 16 is Licky Licky Tongue. And then number 17 we don't have. But number 18 we have Slacking at the end. So guys, we got a lot of duplicates. So yeah, so you know, just hit the subscribe button. You know, you have to be subscribed. And also we're gonna give away all these duplicates because we don't need them for the collection. So we're gonna give them away. So if you want one, just comment it down below. You know, we have to at least send down to 10,000 views. 10,000 views. That's all we gotta do. And then I personally will send you this if you comment down below what's your favorite Pokemon. Yeah. Yeah. So don't be upset. If you have 30,000 views, I for sure will make another video of these. Opening another tin cans. Take Pikachu, you know, because it's coming out in May. So yeah, guys, just comment down below and just view as much time as you need. And if it's 30,000 likes, we'll make another one. You know, that's pretty good. So we're gonna open now the Crimson Invasion and Sunny Moon. So there's a check for this, buddy.
Huh? What do you have to do? I got Pikachu for my first.
So the trick is like this. So take away this card first. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the other two. So those two, we go in the back. No, wait, this card has. Well, yeah, let's go there. Yeah.
What?
No, and then yeah, just put them in the back. Yeah.
Like that?
Well, you took away 4, right? See that?
Yeah,
And then the two you are this. Is that how it is, right? So that's all you have to do.
Like what?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you put the two cards.
On top of what?
Yeah, on top of these cards, and then you go like that.
Oh, so like that. So you're not changing the.
Yeah.
Alright, then, yeah.
Wait, you did it? Okay. So for my first card, I got Chamsy.
Pikachu.
Okay. Next, I got Magikarp.
I don't even know. Shimiko.
I got Banana Bee.
I got Magikarp.
I got Shelons.
I got Bunnelby.
Banana Bee. Remoraid.
I got Shellos.
I got Energy card. Very energy card.
Dashing Punch.
I got Diggersby.
Ladian.
I got Hummelcore.
Starvia.
Counter, and for our
Energy card and.
our ultra.
Who's this? Salzo.
Yeah, and then for our.
I got-
and for our. Oh God, guys! Look at what we got for our last card. A GX, guys. Card on a GX. Damn, guys. Card on a GX for our rare card. GX, card on a GX, and for our foil, we got out of this. So we got this, our rare, and we got our foil one. So it's pretty cool, guys. So this is your rare one. This is your see the card you got.
Yay, no.
So guys, we're winning this pack opening.
I don't like that. I don't like that one.
So we're gonna open the second one. You guys. Wait, no. So for the last opening, here's the promo card, guys. So comment down below what you get from there. So you know, cause I got the GX card. See which one you guys get. So you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, and then put them in the back.
We're also 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2.
Yeah. So guys, first card would be our Sparrow.
We got bonus sweet.
Sparrow, guys. Next one I got Dratini.
Lollipop.
Dratini. I got Cutie Fly.
Paras.
I I got Chin Chow.
Hero.
I got Morleo.
A little kitty.
Energy card.
Pum.
Nest ball, guys. Nest ball.
I got Rodham Dex.
I got third six.
Patsy Man.
I got a looking person.
Energy.
And for our foil rare would be goes to our person.
I can't. I don't know what this is.
And then our rare goes to this one right here, guys. So, guys, that was really good box opening, guys. So, lucky I'm the one that gets the most popular because I got 2 GX cards from the folio, not including this is including the one. But I am the only one out of the whole box to get a GX card, a GX card, guys. So I'm giving this one away too. If we hit 50,000 views, I don't think so. I'm giving this one away. Yeah, and also the cards that we opened just barely, we're also giving away if we hit 50,000 views. So yeah, so we're giving this one away, and we're giving all this pack away. And if whoever hits, if we hit 50,000 views, and then comment down below your favorite Pokemon. But we have to hit that 50,000 views, and then I'll give this thing away. I'll personally ship them out to you, so don't forget about it. This is Super Crew signing off, and this is my brother. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel right over here. Somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to my channel, and please keep being positive, guys. This is Super Crew signing off. Till next time. Bye.